In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to record a refund so your customer balance and your reports stay accurate. First, open Xero and sign into your organization. From the dashboard, we'll head straight to the area where customer sales are managed. Look for the sales menu along the top navigation. This is your hub for quotes, invoices, and everything related to your receivables. Click Sales to continue. Inside Sales, choose Invoices. This takes you to the list of all invoices you've issued. Even though we're processing a refund, Xero handles this through a credit note, which is essentially a negative invoice. It reverses part or all of a sale, keeps your audit trail intact, and ensures tax and revenue are adjusted properly. Now, click New Credit Note. This opens a fresh credit note form. Think of it as creating the refund document that will offset the original invoice. On this page, you'll add the details that explain exactly what you're crediting back. Next, select the contact you want to refund. Choose the customer tied to the original invoice. If you have many contacts, use the search to find the exact one. In the credit note lines, enter the items or services you're refunding and the amounts you want to credit. If you're issuing a full refund, mirror the original invoice lines and totals. For a partial refund, just include the specific lines or amounts you're returning. Be sure to pick the correct account codes and tax rates so your financials stay accurate. It's a good idea to add a clear description, such as the original invoice number and the reason for the refund, so anyone reviewing the account later understands what happened. Also, set the credit note date to match the actual refund date you intend to use, which helps with period reporting and reconciliations. If applicable, double-check the currency and make sure any discounts or shipping are reflected the way you want them to be reversed. When you've finished reviewing the details, click Approve. Approving finalizes the credit note in your ledger and reduces the customer's balance accordingly. This creates a clear record of the refund and ensures your sales and tax reports reflect the change. After approval, keep an eye on your customer balance to confirm it looks right, and review the credit note totals and descriptions for accuracy. That's it. You've created a refund in Xero using a credit note, preserving a tidy audit trail, and keeping your books consistent.